loves, today I'm super stoked because we are going to be unboxing my Disney Holiday Loungefly bag. Now, I just want to make sure my address isn't on there. Okay, so I do not own any Disney Holiday Loungefly bags besides the one Haunted Mansion one. I don't really have space, so I mean, I buy the ones that appeal to me. So, oops. I'm gonna put this right here. So I saw this one on Hot Topic and I had hot cash and they let me use my hot cash with a combinable sale, which I don't know if that glitched or not, but it worked and I wasn't sure how that worked. So I was like, alright, I'm gonna bite and I'm gonna try it. Oh my god. This is bigger than I thought and I only paid like $30 for it. This! Oh my god. This is beautiful. Like, that. Look at that bag. This is stunning. I am obsessed. Totally obsessed. Are you kidding me right now? And look at the little snowflake charm. Oh my god. That. This is so cute. It's a little Mickey. What the actual heck? And it retails for $44.90, which I really don't think is bad at all, in my opinion. But I love that it has this extra compartment right here on the outside. As you can see, wait. I love this. Oh my gosh. Yay! I had to treat myself to a bag because why not? And I don't have any holiday Loungefly, so I'm so happy about this. Like, you don't even understand. And it is perfect because 'tis the season. So yeah, like I said, look out for sales because I used to always go Black Friday shopping since I was like 13 years old. I would go with my family and we would go like super early and get all of the deals. However, times have changed and I think that the deals are way better before Black Friday and you could get like a bigger bang for your buck. And I collect different things now. Like when we were younger, it would be like Black Friday for coats and like my dad would give my mom jewelry, you know, stuff like that. Like they had really good deals back then. And you know, we would get like trampolines and the piano, we got foosball tables. Or was that not Black Friday? I mean, some Black Fridays, I know we got a trampoline for the one Black Friday. But like, now, I mean, I like my merch. I've always loved my merch, so I get that. And the deals are really, really better before Thanksgiving. Or, yeah, I would say that. Sometimes they have good deals during Black Friday, but I personally think the best time to shop is like right now. Because personally, I've been getting better deals than I ever did on Black Friday. So that is my tip for you. I mean, you could buy whatever the heck you want. You could shop when you want, but that's just my personal opinion because I shop a lot. So, you know, I have an eye for these things. But yeah, like, I mean, I got a steal on that Loungefly. And I mean, sometimes I feel like they rarely have sales on stuff like that. And then when you get to use hot cash on them, I mean, you can't go wrong. You just can't go wrong with that. But that is it for today's video. Let me know down below if you guys own any Loungeflies, if you collect them, or if you're like me and you're like selective with them. Just let me know down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notifications bell. That way you guys will not miss any uploads of mine. And with all of that said, until next month, catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.